maybe what's happening to the mountains this weekend.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
The view is so crazy. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Here, I'll turn the camera around. So we got most of camp good to go, and I was going to give you a tour. Built this camp kitchen, and we're gonna have pizzas for dinner, and I will show you how we're making them later. We have our fresh drinking water here, and then we have a 5-gallon tank with fresh running water here. So it all goes through, there's some tubing, and it goes down into the 5-gallon tank. So this is what we can use to wash dishes, wash our hands, all of that good stuff. So this is kind of how we have everything set up back here. So we're always ready to go camping or bike packing, depending. We have our bike pump and our helmets are there. These are tubes for bike packing. We just keep this all in the car. If we ever feel like going camping or bike packing, we can just take it out of the car. This is our rooftop box. So we have toilet paper, paper towel, sheets, hammocks, oxygen just in case, because you never know. We also have honey, we've got coffee filters, and then we recently just got this high bear, which is really sick. Pour over coffee pot, and then it also does tea. So when we combine it with our Jetboil, it's awesome. So we can take this camping with us no matter where we're going. If we're going bike packing, rooftop tent camping, regular camping, whatever it is, take this with us because it's a really small, super compact. And then over here is our like all of our clothes and stuff. So his clothes are over here, mine are over here, and we brought some books with us. You've got to see this pizza. Look at that beauty. I'm gonna top it with some of this Yellowbird hot sauce. Yes. Okay, so we've made a decision that we're gonna go to Buena Vista. We're gonna pack everything up. There's a couple of things that we need to get from the store, like dish soap and hand soap, maybe other things too. So yeah, we're gonna pack up and we're hoping that we might be able to do some tubing in Buena Vista because we're both really craving being in the water, but it's supposed to be super windy, so we'll see. Do you hear that? I do.
Something not good, something.
But something's dragging. I was trying to avoid the rock.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Nothing big? Yeah. I think we're alright, just a piece of plastic. Okay. Yeah, be careful.
Well, there was a rock that I was trying to avoid, but I guess I rolled right over it, and this fell off of my car. We don't know what it is. Here you go. Sounds fine. I have no lights on, so.
Onward.
Yes. bunch of
for cold plunges. Your turn.